Hey there. Are you ready to learn about the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle? Good. Because there are so many amazing reasons to take care of your body and mind. First of all, let's talk about the physical benefits. When you exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet, you reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Exercise helps strengthen your muscles and bones, improve your cardiovascular health, and keep your weight in check. A healthy diet gives your body the nutrients, minerals, and vitamins it needs to function at its best. But it's not just your physical health that gets a boost from a healthy lifestyle. Your mental health also reaps the rewards. Exercise can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, while a healthy diet can improve your mood and cognitive function. Plus, good sleep is essential for overall mental well-being, and a healthy lifestyle can help you get more restful ZZZs. But let's not forget about the other perks of living healthy. Have you ever noticed how sluggish and drained you feel after a day of junk food and inactivity? On the other hand, when you eat well and get some exercise, you have so much more energy. Exercise helps improve your cardiovascular fitness and muscle strength, which leads to better endurance and higher levels of physical activity. And a healthy diet keeps you fueled and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel confident in their own skin? A healthy lifestyle can lead to improved self-esteem and body image. Exercise can improve your body composition and muscle tone, and a healthy diet can make you feel more energetic and confident. But perhaps the biggest benefit of living healthy is that it can help you live longer. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can reduce your risk of premature death due to chronic diseases. So why not take care of yourself and enjoy all the amazing benefits that come with it? So there you have it. Living a healthy lifestyle can improve your physical and mental health, increase your energy levels, boost your self-esteem, and even help you live longer. And the best part? It's never too late to start taking care of yourself. So go ahead and make those healthy choices. Your body and mind will thank you.